Hello friends, this is Yana from Yana's Crochet. Thank you for watching, and as always, please subscribe and like and share my videos. Today we are going to be making this very simple granny square. This granny square is perfect if you're a beginner, or obviously you can always make it if you are more advanced. Great way to practice your stitches, very quick to finish so you don't get bored. And then if you make a lot of them, you have many possibilities of what you can do. You can put it into a blanket, sweater, scarf, anything else you want. So let's get started. We are going to start with the magic ring, as most granny squares do. And we are going to chain 3, and we're going to put 15 more double crochets in the magic circle. So counting these 3 chains all together, you're going to have 16 stitches, and this is gonna count as your first double crochet. So altogether 16 double crochets. So keep going until you have 16. Once you have your 16 stitches inside the magic ring, pull the ring nice and tight, as tight as you can. Okay, so once we have that done, we need to slip stitch to the top chain of our first chain 3. Chain 3, and then you can cut this yarn off and tie it off. To start the second round, we're going to join your new yarn anywhere in between 2 double crochet stitches. So just pick any spot and just go right there in between and grab your new yarn. Pull that through and chain 3. And then into the same space, double crochet 2 more stitches. There you have it. Then chain 2. Skip 2 double crochets, and then into the space here in between, put 3 double crochets. Again, chain 2, skip 2, and 3 more double crochets. Go around all the way, repeating the same pattern. You skip 2, go in the space between, put 3 double crochets, and then chain 2. So we'll do chain 2 here, skip 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, 3 double crochet all the way around. At the end of the second round, you should have 8 3 double crochet clusters, 8 of them. And now we are going to again slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. third round, you are going to join another color. The same way, you can start in any spot of these chain 2 spaces. So anywhere, join your new yarn, and chain 3. This will count as your first double crochet, and then double crochet 6 more in the same space. And you are going to put clusters of 7 double crochet into every chain 2 space around, just the same way. So you don't need to chain in between or anything, so just put a double crochet in there and make it 7. You finish the third round with 8 clusters of 7 crochet, so it will look like this. And at the end, just the same way, slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain 3, and cut off your yarn. For your fourth round, you're gonna need green yarn. You are going to join your green yarn again in any spot in between the big clusters. So grab your yarn. Here you are only going to chain 2, and that's gonna count as your half double crochet. Now chain 5 more. In the next space right here, double crochet, chain 5, double crochet in the same spot. Chain 5 again, and half double crochet in your next space. Chain 5, double crochet, chain 5, double crochet in the same spot, chain 5 again, and you are going to repeat that pattern. Okay, so you're going to chain 5 again, and then you're going to put a half double crochet here, chain 5, double crochet, chain 5, double crochet, chain 5, half double crochet, and keep going all the way around, and this is what you're going to have. Your round should end with your chain 5. Okay, so you're going to have 4 corners with a somewhat of a V-stitch. Okay, and then you're going to have 4 points of half double crochets. Remember, the beginning chain 2 we counted as a half double crochet. Now let's slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. And that becomes your half double crochet. This round is over. take your last color and we're going to start on the left side of the half double crochet. So this is where we're going to join. And chain 3. And 4 more double crochets in the same spot. So now you have your first cluster of 5 double crochets. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into this space, chain 3, and another double crochet 3. This is your corner. Now chain 1, double crochet 5 in this space. Five double crochets there, then chain 1, put another 5 double crochets here. Chain 1 again, double crochet 3 in the corner now, making a corner, chain 3 just like your last corner, and double crochet 3. And now you just repeat the same pattern. So after the corner, you're gonna chain 1, double crochet 5, chain 1, double crochet 5. And then for the corner, we're doing chain 1, double crochet 3, chain 3, double crochet 3. So here we're gonna chain 1 again, double crochet 5, chain 1, double crochet 5, and then the same thing we'll do in the corner, chain 1, double crochet 3, chain 3, double crochet 3. And the end, as always, first of all, don't forget to chain 1 at the end of your double crochet 5, and then just slip stitch into the top of your first beginning chain. And you are done. And this is what you should have. As I said, a very simple granny square. You don't have to be very skillful to get this done, and this is perfect for just practicing your stitches, practicing your tension, and then at the end, you know, you can have a big blanket if you want. And thank you for watching. Till next time.